Namaskar and good morning. Welcome to our morning show. And in this morning show, we'll take you through the morning paper news, morning paper headlines in Odisha. And this program is meant for non-Odia people, those who want to know about Odisha and Odisha affairs. I would like to tell them that for the last several days, this COVID-19 situation continues to, dominate the news paper houses. And now I'll take you through to the headlines in two major newspapers. One is Samaj and the another is Sambad. Both the newspapers are leading newspapers. In Samaj, we see that they have carried stories on the discussion, crucial discussion between Puri Shankaracharya and Jagannath Temple administration, and where Gajpati Maharaj Dipa Singh was also present. Uh, they held discussion about the forthcoming Rath Yatra. It was decided that the Rath Yatra, all the rituals, including Akhay Tritiya and Chandran Yatra, will be performed inside the Meghnad Pachiri that houses Sri Mandir, the abode of Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, and Devi Subhadra. And the decision was taken keeping in view the lockdown regulations or guidelines of the union government as well as the state government. And this decision actually comes as a solution that the rituals will be held at the same time. At the same time, the guidelines regulations are also adhered to. And another news item in Samaj that says about how 2.5 lakh small and micro industries in the state have shut down because of this lockdown regulations, and nearly 50 lakh people have been jobless. So a crucial crucial. This is a crucial, very crucial and important story, and this needs to be taken. Taken into consideration by the state government after the lockdown period is over. Otherwise, this will create a serious unemployment situation in the state. And another story that appears in Samaj that says 5 new COVID cases have been found or detected in Bhadrak, and this district has emerged as one of the new and major COVID-19 hotspots in the state. And there is another story in Samaj that says that the state government has suffered nearly 4,000 crore revenue losses because of lockdown regulations, and agriculture sector has been seriously hit, and also development activities have come to a standstill. And another story in Sambad says that North Odisha was seriously hit by a nor'easter yesterday, which is in Odia said is nor'easter in Odia is said as Kala Vaishakhi. That Kala Vaishakhi has wreaked havoc in North Odisha. And there is another anchor story in Samaj that says because of this COVID-19 lockdown, educational institutes have remained closed, and keeping that thing in view, the authorities in the education department, they are considering to cut short the syllabuses of students. That means students will not study that, will not cover whatever whatever is there in their syllabus. They will have limited studies. And another story that says about how 5 people have been killed in North Odisha because of this lightning and thunder. These are the major morning newspaper headlines. And another story is that a low pressure is coming, and that will hit the state on 29th. These are the major stories, and we'll also keep you updating about the developments of the day in our evening show. And until then, have a nice time at your home. Stay at home, stay safe. Have a very nice day. Thank you for watching the video.